It's a blessing from God that we should share, and it is a love from someone who cares about us. Starting the day with this motivational quote, I would like to wish a wonderful morning and extend a warm welcome to worthy Principal Ma'am, Head Delivering Sarika Ma'am, our Coordinator Payal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I, Shanvi, along with my friend Abhiru, on behalf of Class 4B, are here to present a class assembly on the topic World Food Day.
Prayer holds a profound meaning in our lives, whether it's silent, personal connection with the divine, or a communal gathering to recite, sing, and celebrate our faith. Before we commence our activities, it's time to connect our spirits with the higher power to seek blessings, guidance, and wisdom. So, I request you all to please rise for the morning prayer and join your hands.
Brighten our mornings, here comes Shania to share today's thought with us. Thought for today is, the food that we have on our plates is a result of the immense amount of hard work that is put in at various stages. So we should consume it with utmost respect and with a feeling of gratitude. I repeat, the food that we have on our plates is a result of the immense amount of hard work that is put in at various stages, so we should consume it with utmost respect and with a feeling of gratitude. Thank you. And for this insightful thought, let's keep it in our hearts and promise ourselves to be grateful every time
Pahul, who are ready to update us with the latest news and will make us aware about what's happening around the globe.
Discover the sixth ocean 700 kilometers below the Earth's surface. They have discovered a vast underground ocean located about 700 kilometers below the Earth's surface. This new finding reveals an ocean 3 times larger than all the Earth's surface oceans combined.
Virat Kohli became the fastest player to reach 27,000 international runs in the second test against Bangladesh, shattering Sachin Tendulkar's record made in 623 innings. Today's weather news is generally weather will be clear today. Temperature will be 30 degrees Celsius. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 kilometers per hour.
News update. Let's move on to the next part of our assembly. I would now like to call Hariti, Gurkirat and Sukhsahaj. What are you looking at, Gurkirat?
I am checking out the list of holidays around the world to find out what festivals and events other countries are celebrating. I found information on Monkey Festival. It is celebrated in Thailand on the last weekend of every November, where villagers lay out delicious foods for monkeys to snack on.
Oh, see, I found information on World Food Day that is celebrated on 16th October.
It is observed in over 150 countries in honor of the United Nations founding the Food and Agriculture Organization. It also helps to raise awareness about the issues behind poverty and hunger.
Do you know about United Nations?
Yes, it is an international organization that was set up in 1945 to build friendly relationships between different countries and also to maintain world peace. It also helps to reduce poverty and hunger.
Okay, but we all must act as responsible. World Food Day is important to raise awareness about global hunger, promote healthy eating, and most importantly, appreciate food.
There is one big dilemma in my mind. It's so easy to get our hands on fast food and ready to eat microwave meals, but they contain lots of starch, sugars, fats, preservatives, and salt.
I agree. An unhealthy diet can lead us to obesity and all sorts of diseases. That's alarming.
Exactly, and this is what makes the year's World Food Day all the more important. We should do what we can do as individuals to make healthy diet affordable and accessible to everyone.
Oh my God! I can hear a fire.
I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm so tired because I'm so unhealthy. I'm so tired because I'm so unhealthy.
But I am not, because I am a balanced diet. I am full of nutrients. I am the diet that contains all the essential nutrients. I maintain and improve overall health. I have adequate quantity of fat, protein, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins and minerals. So friends, nourish your body, skip junk and choose healthy every bite. Now I would like to invite Ayukta, Harshit, Asri and Poom for some healthy food facts. Thank you.
Eating cucumbers before bedtime can help you wake up feeling refreshed and headache-free. Just 2 bananas will provide you enough energy for an intense 90 minutes workout.
Sweet carrots give you energy to walk 3 miles. They were first grown as a medicine, not as a food. Next, watch a video